Beauty in the rain. There's beauty in the rain, even if you missed its fall. Paths shiny, wet, a slippery day, dull, with a sky like wool. Faint lines sliced down from above draw white marks on the way. The world sounds more slippery than it did in the sun only yesterday. I look from my window down to the street where coloured octagons pass and say, "Hooray, hooray, today it's our day, lucky us, come out to play." And I, indoors, all warm and cosy, coloured carpets and walls from curtains thick velvet, love to watch this world washed in pencil grey.